The courtroom drama over Arvind Kejriwal's fresh application was nothing less than riveting. While the court reserved its order on the plea moved by Arvind Kejriwal seeking direction to jail authorities to administer insulin and allow him to consult through video conferencing daily his doctor for 15 minutes with respect to his acute diabetes and fluctuating blood sugar levels, let's tell you what happened in the court today. While arguing for him, Delhi Chief Minister's counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi said that out of the 48 meals that were sent to him from home, only 3 had mangoes. He also said that mangoes are being made to look like sugar bullets. He went on to counter the ED's claims about Kejriwal consciously having tea with sugar by adding that CM took tea with sugar-free tablets. Then Abhishek Manu Singhvi added that the media is publishing reports about Kejriwal having aloo puri in jail, but the truth is that the Chief Minister has aloo puri once during Navratri. Kejriwal's legal team called ED's claims petty and ridiculous. While countering Arvind Kejriwal's legal team, the ED showed AIIMS's prescribed diet for Arvind Kejriwal and said that there's a mismatch in what's prescribed to him and what he's consuming as part of home-cooked food that's being sent to him. In this report, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences has asked Kejriwal to avoid foods such as puris, bhujia, sweets, mangoes, bananas and potato amongst various other items. Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that there's a conspiracy to harm the Delhi Chief Minister in jail, while the BJP is accusing Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party of lying. BJP leaders say that Kejriwal was never denied insulin in jail and he's making up these claims to just get bail.
क्या आप किसी बहाने से जहर देने की साजिश कर रहे हैं? किसी बहाने से मारने की साजिश कर रहे हैं? क्या करना चाहते हैं क्या आप? उसके जीवन के साथ प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के इशारे पर खिलवाड़ क्यों किया जा रहा है?
जब उन्होंने अपनी बेल याचिका लगाई और ये कहा कि मेरा शुगर लेवल बहुत बढ़ गया है, मैं डायबिटिक हूं और मुझे तुरंत जेल से बाहर निकाला जाए। ईडी का सनसनीखेज खुलासा सामने आता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जेल में जानबूझकर मीठी चीजें खा रहे हैं, आम खा रहे हैं, तली चीजें खा रहे हैं, मीठी चाय पी रहे हैं, जबकि वो डायबिटिक 2 हैं जिनको ये चीजें कभी नहीं खानी चाहिए। वो ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे थे ताकि उनकी शुगर लेवल बढ़ जाए और इस तरह से करके मैनिपुलेट करके वो जेल से बाहर आए। आज से पहले आपने यह तो सुना होगा कि हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल्स जो होते हैं वो जेल से बाहर निकलने के लिए ऐसी मोडस ऑपरेंडी इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Let's take this across to our guest now. Joining us, Majinder Singh Sirsa is, of course, continuing with us, as is Subhrashtra. Joining us, of course, on the panel is Piyush Joshi, political analyst. But let me go first and foremost to Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, I think one thing is quite clear. There was a little bit of confusion yesterday as to whether Mr. Kejriwal has consumed these items or not. Now that has been set apart. And the court itself has observed there is clearly some kind of discrepancy. While it certainly hasn't given its order, and no one can second guess what the court will do, the fact is that, according to the documents that were presented by the ED, several items that All India Institute of Medical Sciences has told Tihar authorities that Mr. Kejriwal should not be consuming were certainly being consumed. Now, the BJP says this is some kind of deliberate strategy for Mr. Kejriwal to apply for medical bail. Please respond.
Good evening, Madhav. First of all, I think being a diabetic is not a crime in any IPC. Okay, it's a health condition,
certainly not.
health situation, right? Now, issue here is that there is a deliberate attempt. Today's petition by Arvind was to allow him to be administered insulin immediately because last 5-6 days his sugar has been ranging in a range of some 300 or something like that. So there I'm saying a whole lot of conspiracy. 48 meals, somebody taking 3 slices of mango, heaven is not going to fall. For Navratri is consuming a puri and aloo. What is wrong in it? I mean, this is absolute desperation on the part of BJP. By any means, by using ED, they want to play with the health of Arvind Kejriwal, who is in the custody. I am asking some basic questions. I respect this judiciary. I respect the honorable judge. Why the honorable judge should take 78 hours to pronounce that this person should be given the insulin immediate, which is a life-saving drug for a diabetic? Why should she hold a judgment for that matter? he should be given it immediately. Second thing, why ED should write a mail to Tihar administration asking for Arvind Kejriwal's diet and all those things? What ED has got to do with that? The matter is between the judicial custody, between the court and the Tihar administration. Now, whatever court wants, Tihar administration, whatever they have to give it to the court. The ED is nobody in the business. Well, why they are interested in it? Why they are? Because they are only making a media show of it. They want to, before going to court, they make a media submission for publicity. This man is increasing his blood sugar himself, and he wants to apply for a bail on medical ground.
Okay.
What kind of nonsense is this? Or petty thing, I just refuse to believe.
All right. Let me just quickly show you this diet chart. According to this diet chart, on one particular day, 3rd of April, he has bananas for breakfast, lunch and dinner. 6 bananas a day. I don't know if that's normal people, whether they eat that, but certainly for a diabetic, it seems a little on the high side, particularly if it's in the list of things that he shouldn't be eating. There are sweets at least on 2 to 3 days that have been part of his dinner. And certainly not for dinner. One is generally cautious while having dinner. One is advised, even normal people are told, if you're trying to lose weight, etc., be healthy, avoid or reduce carbohydrates in the night. Here you have Mr. Kejriwal eating sweets for dinner. Number 2. Number 3, it's not just mango, sir. There are fruits eaten almost every day and sometimes on multiple times a day. And therefore, there are some serious questions that Ravi Srivastava emerge from it. I'm not saying that this is the be-all or end-all, but certainly if the judge and the court has said that there appears to be some kind of a violation in the home-cooked food, saying that it was not in a compliance prima facie with a diet prescribed by jail authorities, shouldn't that be taken seriously, Ravi Srivastava?
Madhav, first of all, Arvind Kejriwal has got a loving wife who takes care of him for the last 25-30 years since they are married. And she is well aware of that what Arvind should eat. I know the normal banana has got a GI of only 50. A ripe banana has got a GI of 80. So what kind of banana he's taken, we don't know. Second
he was eating raw bananas.
Maybe, I don't know. He's taking the tea with the sugar.
Raw bananas are very difficult to eat, sir.
Erythritol. There are sugar-free things. There are sugar-free sweets. Everything is available sugar-free today in the market. So what is wrong in it? What he is consuming? He has taken 1 sweet. He has taken 2 sweets, and all kind of statements are given. These are bogus stories to malign his reputation.
Sweet tooth or bitter truth. There are several questions, but let me bring in Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, his wife knows how to take care of his health, etc. Why are you raising questions? Surely nobody would harm their own health.
Definitely. That's a very prominent question that need to be answered. Now, how this situation unfolds? Arvind Kejriwal files a bail petition saying कि मेरे को तो diabetic है, I'm diabetic and I should immediately be released from jail. To counter that, because now the notice was issued to the ED. Now ED gets the record from jail that whether he's a diabetic, whether he's taking insulin, what is a diet plan, what he's doing, what is he eating, and is doctors taking care of him? And it's shocking revelations comes out, shocking details comes out that he himself is consuming that much of sugar which otherwise a healthy person would got diabetic. Being a healthy person, if you read this, you himself, in fact, you also quoted, जितना खाना अरविंद केजरीवाल जी खा रहे हैं, तंदुरुस्त आदमी भी अगर इतना खाना दिन में खाएगा तो बीमार हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सेकेंडली, अभी कहा गया कि ईडी ने इसकी चार्ट को क्यों लिया जेल से, क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने बेल एप्लीकेशन लगाई और उस बेल एप्लीकेशन में लिखा कि मैं बीमार हूं, मेरे को शुगर है, मुझे डायबिटिक है, तो ईडी ने उसका जवाब दिया. अब आप सोचिए, कल तक इसकी कोई चिंता नहीं थी, कोई इंसुलिन की बात नहीं हो रही थी. जैसे ही कोर्ट के अंदर यह सवाल आता है कि ये देखिए जी जानबूझकर मीठा खा रहे हैं और अपनी हेल्थ बिगाड़ रहे हैं ताकि इनको बाहर जेल से बाहर निकलने का मौका मिले एज अ हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल. ये तो मोडस ऑपरेंडी क्रिमिनल्स की होती थी, जेल से बाहर भागने का चार्ल्स सोबराज जैसे लोगों की होती थी. अरविंद केजरीवाल का उस कैटेगरी में. तो क्या किया जाता है, फटाफट वो एप्लीकेशन विड्रॉ कर ली जाती है कि नहीं हमें बेल नहीं चाहिए जी, नहीं हमें बेल नहीं चाहिए, छोड़ दीजिए, हमें हमारा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी तंदुरुस्त हैं, हमें बेल एप्लीकेशन वापस लेनी है. और फिर पीसी शुरू हो जाती हैं, उनको इंसुलिन नहीं दी जा रही, उनको मार दिया जाएगा, उनको खत्म कर दिया जाएगा. अरे तिहाड़ जेल तुम्हारी, जेल तुम्हारा डिपार्टमेंट, जेल मिनिस्टर तुम्हारा, सरकार तुम्हारी, और भाई अरविंद केजरीवाल को जेल में मार दिया जाएगा, ये भी आप ही बोलेंगे. कमाल होगी. इसका मतलब तो ये है कि आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार खुद चाह रही है कि उसको मार दिया जाए, कौन चाह रहा है उसको मारना, ये सामने लाया जाए।
Piyush Joshi, even you are smiling. Even you are finding it difficult to contain the smile that is on your face. But end of the day,
I am a physician.
Certainly, none of us are physicians. But I think a lot of knowledge about general healthcare is there with all of us to know how much sugar and how much sweets is normally consumed in a day.
Madhavji, I am a physician. I treat, I treat diabetic patients on a daily basis. Quite a healthy chunk of my patients are diabetic on an everyday basis in my OPD. You get me a diabetic in this country who does not eat mango in the season of summers, okay, and I'll stop practicing. Once in a while, every diabetic wants to have a share of mango, wants to cheat on his diet.
I'm very glad you said that. But if I may just interrupt you for 5 seconds, how much of this diet chart? You just tell me one thing, sir. Is this diet chart normal for all diabetics according to you? Bananas, 2 bananas thrice a day, fruit chart every breakfast, fruits and sweets or mangoes in every meal, every meal having something sweet.
You talked about it. You mentioned in detail about whatever Mr. Kejriwal ji is eating. Why I was smiling. I was actually confused whether Mr. Kejriwal wants bail on the pretense of his being a diabetic and uncontrolled glycemia, whether Mr. Kejriwal wants insulin, whether Mr. Kejriwal wants to consult with his doctor, or whether Mr. Kejriwal wants to get out on the pretense of high blood sugar level. So the BJP's argument and the Enforcement Directorate argument is all over the place. Make up your mind, Baba, कि क्या चाहिए केजरीवाल जी को? भाइयों बहनों, केजरीवाल जी को बेल चाहिए कि भाइयों बहनों केजरीवाल जी को इंसुलिन चाहिए? भाइयों बहनों, केजरीवाल जी के साथ क्या हो रहा है?
One second. Let's not have this cross shouting match. One second, Mr. Sirsa, let me just come in. One thing is very clear. Piyush, one thing is very clear. There was a petition until yesterday which they withdrew. One second, just listen to me. I think Mr. Sirsa's made it, he's articulated his point of view very clearly. He says there was a petition. When they saw that the ED is coming up with all of these documents or arguments, then they quickly withdrew that petition and today filed a fresh petition. So therefore, the questions and the actions of the legal team of Mr. Kejriwal are coming under a cloud.
Now, how does he know that there was a petition? Was that in the...
it's a part of the proceedings. It happened yesterday, Mr. Piyush Joshi. It's very well covered in the media also.
And did the Honorable High Court made it public? Come on, yaar. Stop. Let me say stop his home-cooked meal. Provide him the jail-cooked food. Not a problem. Fast track the bloody trial.
Let's
finish it off.
Temper our language a bit, please. It's a national television, yes.
So bloody is not a problem,
We can keep our language parliamentary on national television. Please, I stand by that. Please, let's not get over ourselves.
It's a parliamentary word. It has been used in parliament. It is allowed.
And it would be expunged in parliament also. So let's not repeat it on national television. Repeating it is not going to help your cause.
Madhavji, all I'm saying, fast track the trial, finish the investigation in 6 months, और दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी कर दो. केजरीवाल जी यदि guilty है, तो वो जेल में डाल दो. If he's not guilty, then get him out. यार, fast track the trial. 2-3 साल investigation करते हो.
Point taken.
Assassinate the character of the.
Point taken. Let me put that question, Subrasha. Subrasha, we're all just beating about the bush, making much ado about nothing about the sweets, mangoes, etc. The real issue is whether the trial will take place speedily and justice will be delivered. Subrasha.
Yeah, I hope so. And if Kejriwal would have not, disrespected ED summons way 8 to 9 months back, we would not have seen this drama unfold today. So this is Kejriwal's creation and he should deal with it. Also, in my family, my late grandfather was a diabetic. My mother-in-law is a diabetic. And let me tell you, none of what you guys have mentioned here is the diet chart of a diabetic. I can say this as a common man or a woman of this country. I don't know what Kejriwal is. Maybe he has some special physicians looking after him. Maybe he has some special diet chart which allows him to have all these sweets and bananas and still remain healthy.
Okay, but Ravi Srivastava, this is the thing. Here you have, leave on everything aside. Everyone has a right to eat what they want to. But Ravi Srivastava, this is what the AIIMS has specifically said. They've specifically said, avoid fried foods like puri, paratha, samosa, pakoda. Avoid sweets, cake, jam, chocolate, sugar, jaggery, ice cream, etc. Avoid fruit juices. Avoid fruits like mango, banana, chiku, lychee. Vegetables like potato, arbi, jimikand. So at least 5 or 6 of these items are there in the diet chart and with amazing regularity. It's not about having some special food on a festival like Navratri. The point is about having these items on a regular basis.
Madhav, let me now disclose to you that I am also a diabetic for last 28 years. So what I am hearing from you is these are general advisories which are printed on any piece of paper. You go to Dr. Piyush Joshi's clinic, he must have printed it outside his clinic itself. Please avoid these things. They may spike your blood sugar.
May I ask you a question, sir?
Consume it in
May I ask you a personal
moderation.
question, Ravi Srivastava? As a diabetic, do you consume fruits 3 times a day?
Madhav, nobody consumes first 3 times a day. He has consumed 3 times only in the 48 meals. That is one. Second, he has consumed
he has consumed mangoes 3 times. Bananas he has consumed every day. On one day he consumes bananas thrice. 6 bananas a day. When is the last time?
BJP.
Sir, this is submitted in a court of law. Leave BJP propaganda aside. This is a document submitted in a court of law.
Feces. It is submitted there already. He has not consumed it the way you are explaining. It is not so incorrect totally. And I am telling you, as a diabetic, I do consume all these things, and there is absolutely.
Let me
no
just set the
problem
facts
with that.
right. On third, bananas twice a day for breakfast, bananas two bananas for lunch, 2 bananas for dinner. On fourth, there are of course eggs that have been consumed, and there is salad, etc. On fourth, there is no sugar consumed. But from the 5th to the 8th, at least 2 meals a day, if not 3, where items such as banana, mango, sweets, mixed fruits, fruit chaat, etc. have been consumed with amazing regularity that is seen over here. I want to quickly ask Manjinder Singh Sirsa one point though. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, if there is so much of misuse, if Mr. Manoj Tiwari says that jail mein sab kuch galat ho raha hai, Dasna jail le jao, then why is the ED not moving an application? If you feel that so many favors are being done for Kejriwal in Tihar jail, move an application. Take him to any other jail in Haryana, UP, wherever you may choose to.
So first of all, it is not my job to do that, neither, because Tinder Jain case you have seen कैसे मसाज हो रही थी जेल के अंदर, you have seen that videos. अब बड़ा interesting fact है माधवन, I don't think that even you will be able to challenge this fact. On one side, one person is saying कि मेरी sugar spike कर रही है. Being a healthy person or even with a diabetic, if somebody is having this food, I think we should not have any problem unless until he says कि मेरी तो sugar बढ़ रही है जी. Then definitely you ask him a question. भाई अगर आपको पता है कि आपकी sugar बढ़ रही है तो आप ये मीठा क्यों खा रहे हैं? हम उनसे सवाल नहीं पूछ रहे कि आप मीठा क्यों खा रहे हैं, वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि मेरी शुगर बढ़ रही है, तो हमें मजबूर किया जा रहा है पूछने के लिए कि अगर आपकी शुगर बढ़ रही है, आप एक पढ़े लिखे हैं, आप कहते हैं मैं एक IRS ऑफिसर हूं, आप कहते हैं कि मेरे को तो 20 साल इतनी जानकारी 20 साल से मुझे डायबिटिक है.
पीयूष जोशी, अगर कल कुछ अगर हेल्थ मिस्टर केजरीवाल की बिगड़ जाए जेल में, वोंट यू होल्ड तिहाड़ जेल अथॉरिटीज रिस्पांसिबल? सिंपल क्वेश्चन.
Madhavji, it is very simple. You know, there's one thing that your show is doing is creating awareness about diabetes and what to eat and what not to eat. So I am glad for that at least. You know,
well, at least that social purpose is served.
Yeah,
we have to thank Mr. Kejriwal and his legal team for that. Yeah,
that is a good social purpose, and give some credit to Mr. Kejriwal about it as well. As he brought this topic in national news. So all I am saying, Madhavji, that you know, a diabetic diet is basically comprised of all the elements. So it is not saying that you cannot consume this or that. You have to consume all these things in modulation. Certainly, sweets you are not supposed to consume, but 1400 to 1500 calories you can consume in a day. If you are taking 2 bananas for breakfast and not eating anything else, then that serves the purpose.
Sir, if one just goes through this chart, I think this is way above even 2000 calories. Perhaps even 2000 would be less for the number of items that have been written. As per a normal human being, this is definitely higher than that standard, but I'll have to leave it there because I'm completely out of time. An interesting turn of events. Of course, a lot of questions as to what the judge will finally decide as far as the sweet tooth of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. But Manjinder Sirsa, Subrashtra, Piyush Joshi, Ravi Srivastava, thanks so much for joining us here this evening.